Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will demonstrate how to create a new shade in Logic ERP. Let's get started. Head to the Setup Shades module, click on Show All Records to view the existing list of shades. The list of existing shades has been displayed along with their short names and assigned depths. Let's create a new shade. Before creating a new shade, we will first create a corresponding shade depth. To do this, go to the Setup Shade Depth module. Here, you can view the list of existing shade depths. Let's proceed to create a new shade depth along with its short name. You can also set the display order from here. Finally, save the data. Now return to the Setup Shades module and start creating the new shade. Enter the shade name, shade short name. Press the spacebar in the Shade Depth Name column and select the appropriate depth from the drop-down list. Finally, save the record to complete the process. This shade is primarily used to create items through both the Setup Item Multiple Packs Sizes and Setup Item Shade Size-wise modules. Go to Setup Item Multiple Pack Sizes. Here, you can assign a shade to the item by pressing the space bar in the Shade column. Similarly, in the Setup Item Shade Size-wise module, the item shade can be assigned directly from this section. Next, the shade is also used during both purchase voucher and sale bill entry. To view this, open the Purchase Voucher module. Let's quickly generate a purchase voucher. As observed, the shade has been correctly reflected for the respective item. Similarly, while modifying any purchase or sale bill, you can utilize the voucher search window. Within the item search filter, the shade filter is available. Upon selecting a shade, the software will filter and display all items associated with that shade. After selecting the required item and clicking search, the system will display the vouchers in which the same item has been transacted. This makes it highly convenient to track and analyze shade-specific transactions within the system. You can also use the shade filter in the reports to view transactions specific to a particular item shade as well. Let's quickly review it in a sale report. Open the item filter and click on Shade and select the required shade. The software will filter and display only the transacted items related to that specific shade. Select the item and generate the report. As observed, the report is successfully generated, showing transactions exclusively for the selected shade.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.